back, you guys. It's Miss Coily P, and today I'm going to be talking to you about the 3 important things that I think you should know before starting Vlogmas. Now, as you can see, I am currently customizing one of my hoodies while I talk to you all, but don't mind me, okay? Let's just get into the nitty-gritty. The first thing you must know before starting Vlogmas is that you have to prepare. Now, Vlogmas does take place from December 1st, typically to December 25th. Some people go all the way through the 31st of December, but even though it is a 1-month event, you still have to take advantage of the couple of months ahead to plan your content. My advice would be get a journal and write in it. It's really good to plan out what you want to do. Even though it don't always go the way we plan, it's good to have some sort of a outline of what you want to happen. Now, you may be able to write your content down ahead of time, but sometimes you are not able to record videos ahead of time simply because Vlogmas is typically over the Christmas season. And if the holiday season, Christmas season hasn't come yet, then what do, right? Well, my advice to you would be to record yourself doing things in an environment where you can create that Christmas theme or feel. Say it's a November evening and you're home doing nothing, just relaxing. You have cookies in the cabinet. Your Christmas cookie cutters are in the basement. You can record a video of yourself baking Christmas cookies, and you can throw an ornament on the counter just to kind of create that Christmas environment. That way you can record a video ahead of time. You can schedule it on YouTube for when you wanted to actually go live, and boom, you have just taken care of one of your Vlogmas days. The second thing you must know before starting Vlogmas is to stay true to yourself. That's more of a content creator as a whole type of tip. However, during Vlogmas, it can get really stressful. And sometimes when you hit that block, that brick wall, because you don't know what to put out, what content to put out, you may find yourself looking at other people's things. And sometimes it's really easy to turn into them. No, that's not cool. Your viewers are going to fall for whoever you are in your videos. So if you're mimicking someone else or you're putting out something that you don't like to do, they're going to keep expecting that same type of video or that same type of personality that unfortunately you won't be able to keep up with. Just be yourself. That's the best gift you can offer to your viewers, and it's the easiest way to attract organic subscribers, people who want to come back and see what you've put out. Last but certainly not least, the third thing you must know before starting Vlogmas is to relax and have fun. Believe it or not, guys, Vlogmas is only stressful when you let it be. It's really a mind thing. Say, for example, it's Vlogmas day 3. You have yet to upload a video because you have no idea what to record and you're stressed, right? Here's a cheat code. Tailor it to your life. If you have a couple of errands you have to run that day, take your camera and record yourself. Show us a day in the life of you. Because always remember, your viewers are going to always come back to you because of who you are. And if grocery shopping and running errands and sometimes even cleaning the house is a part of who you are, then that's what they'll want to see. Vlogmas is a Christmas theme event, but not everybody has Christmas themed things that they can use for content, and that's okay. Don't beat yourself up. Relax, have fun, and make these videos yours. It's all about you. Sometimes you may not be able to post every day. That's okay. Your content doesn't have Christmas themed things. That's okay. As long as you plan, you're true to yourself, you're relaxed, and you're having fun, I guarantee Vlogmas will be successful for you. Well, guys, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Miss Coily P, signing out.